Hello friends, today we are going to make oobleck. So let's start. For making oobleck, you will need cornstarch, water, a bowl, spatula or teaspoon or any food color. Now first you have to take your bowl and your cornstarch and you have to put 7 to 8 scoops of cornstarch. बहुत कम बचा है. Now you need to put 5 ml of water. Now we are gonna mix it. Now we have to add food colors. This is optional. 2 drops. Okay, 1 drop of yellow and 1 drop of blue. It looks like milk, but now it will be green because yellow and blue makes green. Oh, the color looks like Uranus. When you behave hardly with it, it's hard. Can you see? And then when you behave softly with it, like move it, it's soft. So, did you see when you tilt the cup, the oobleck flow like a liquid? But when you tap the oobleck with a spatula, it feels solid. Oobleck does not fall under the category of solids or liquids. It is a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts as a liquid until you apply pressure. Then it acts like a solid. The ketchup is also an example of non-Newtonian fluid. Okay, thank you friends. Bye bye.